We're at the doctor. Thank you. Hi, Callie.
Why don't you tell Callie thank you for the frog and the balloon?
Thank you for the frog and the balloon.
Say, the frog looks like boinga, boinga, boinga.
The flowers, bringa, bringa.
Say, I miss you. Do you want to tell her you miss her?
I miss you, Callie.
Say, I hope to see you
I
soon.
hope you see you soon. I love you.
Bye.
Bye, Callie. Bye. Yes.
How are you feeling?
Good?
Feeling good, yeah?
Yeah.
That's awesome. I'm glad you feel good.
Oh.
Do you want me to talk to Doug?
Yes, please.
Hello?
Yes.
How are you doing?
Good.
You're good?
Uh-huh.
We've been thinking about you so much. Are you watching movies and playing with toys?
I want you the Care Bears.
What?
The Care Bears.
Oh, Care Bears?
Yes.
Oh, I like the Care Bears too. We've been missing you.
I've missing her too.
Miss her too?
Yeah.
Oh, that's sweet. We can't wait to see you.
Say, I can't wait to see you.
I can't wait to see you.
Huh?
I can't wait to see